Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your scale weighting incorrectly on Monsieur Cuisine Smart. You can notice that when I press on the table that my Monsieur Cuisine is set on, then it starts kind of changing the weight. You can see it kind of changes the weight because the weight is built into the feet of the base station. So yeah, as you can see, if I'm also holding the station, it also kind of changes, and that is due to the feet. So first of all, make sure the feet are clean and that there's no tension of the power cord. If the power cord has any tension, then you should try minimizing it, just moving the device closer to the power outlet so that it doesn't pull on the cable, because pulling on the cable, well, I can even demonstrate that. I'll pull on the cable now, and as you can see, it starts weighting things. Now when I release the cable, it goes back, not exactly, so I would need to tear it now. Remember to tear it before putting anything in. Yeah, also make sure that it's set on a flat and level, non-slippery surface. And if it's still weighting incorrectly, try using the power switch on the right side of the device to turn it off, wait half a minute and then turn it back on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.